Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be decorating my Christmas tree, and I'm going to share all my tips and tricks to make it look as full and beautiful as possible. Today I am collaborating with a group of amazing women here on YouTube, and everyone is going to be giving you all the Christmas tree motivation that you can get. So make sure when you're done here you check out that playlist. I will have it linked down below for you, and I promise you do not want to miss it. Here is a look at my Christmas tree before it is decorated. My amazing husband put it together and fluffed the branches for me because he knows I just can't stand it. Underneath we do already have our tree skirt up and our train track, and I will be sharing with you all of that fun stuff at the very end. So the first thing I do is lay out all of my pieces out so I can see exactly what I have and how much I have of each thing, and then from there I will begin decorating. A quick overview of everything I plan on using. So I will tell you now that I did end up returning a couple things that I did not end up using, so I will show you how I use each of these pieces. But aren't these ornaments just beautiful? I grabbed these at Hobby Lobby and each one had a different little design, so I grabbed 2 of each one. I just thought they were so stunning and screamed vintage Christmas.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time.
So I do want to apologize for the lighting. I'm not sure why, but when I have my camera in certain places, it just looks so dark in here. But I'm going to start off my tree with doing some ribbon, and I'm going to weave smaller pieces in and out of the branches. And all I'm doing is really just plunging it into the center of the tree and then fluffing the portions that are out. And I just love the way ribbon looks on a Christmas tree.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
So some tips for this is really give yourself the chance of using it before deciding against it. So this is the same with deco mesh, ribbon, or anything. Just really try to give yourself a chance by getting it done completely, including all ornaments, before you decide if you like it or not. Because some people just really don't like the look of the ribbon alone on the tree, but I promise it helps fill in those gaps and it really brings your tree to life.
And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, 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 da 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good.
So normally I would use multiple ribbons to decorate my tree. However, I thought the red on this would just be the perfect touch But in future years, I plan on doing multiple ribbons or even using deco mesh to spruce up my tree even further.
And to see you again, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making it.
So the next thing I'm going to use is some larger Christmas bulbs, and I'm really hanging them towards the center of the tree. So not on the edge branches, but really filling in those gaps on the tree itself so that I can fill in any dead space where there's no Christmas lights, and I really give the feeling of a very full and finished product.
Sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always.
So I'm happy with the larger Christmas bulbs. I'm going to use some picks. This year I decided I really wanted to do something more on the whimsical side, so I grabbed some candy cane picks as well as these like fluffy snow picks that really remind me of The Grinch Who Stole Christmas, thanks to my friend Veronica. But I just love how these turned out. So I'm just using the picks to fill in some more spaces, and I am trying to make triangles with all of the decor pieces that I'm using. I feel like it just brings balance and really makes the tree work perfectly.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. He ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. I don't know what he wants now,
once I have all of my picks in place, it is time to hang some of the ornaments. So I grabbed these peppermint candy ornaments at, I want to say Hobby Lobby, but I really loved how they looked, especially alongside the candy cane picks. So again, I'm using that triangle method to make sure that the ornaments are hung and also balanced throughout the entire tree.
Oh, you miss out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells no more. You miss out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells, no. You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
Throughout all of my Christmas decor shopping, I was on the hunt for some matte red Christmas bulbs, and I did finally find them at Hobby Lobby, but when I purchased them, I was so excited. I did not realize that they were not shatterproof. So these are glass ornaments, which means I am keeping them towards the upper part of my tree. Normally, I would make sure they are balanced throughout, but with the baby, I had to make sure she was safe.
When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Yeah, haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday.
And the last step to a really well balanced and beautiful tree is putting on your showstopper ornaments. And these can be those special memento ornaments, or even just as simple as some more decorative pieces that you really want to showcase. So I'm adding a B and an R for my kiddos up at the top, and they are in a candy cane print that I could not say no to.
What a night.
Love the look of these beautiful vintage Santa silhouette ornaments. I think they are just so pretty, and I'm so glad that I grabbed them.
Jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Just wanna have a holiday, yeah, yeah.
Here is a close-up of my tree, and I love how it turned out. These ornaments just turned out so beautifully, and I love the balance that my tree has this year. Unfortunately, with a toddler running about, the bottom third of my tree is no longer decorated because ReyAnn decided to individually take piece by piece off and come hand it to mom and dad. So I have reworked my tree slightly since I filmed this video, but I still love it, and I think it is so much fun. Thank you all so much for being here, and I hope to see you all again in another video in just a few days. Bye.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with